Alrighty, let's take a look at what we are going to create. It's amazing. Let's start. It has a little trick. Let's start. We need to format the background and make them all black. But before that, we are going to use blue for better seeing. We are going to make all the background blue. Then you need to have the text in the color of the black in these positions. This created using Overdrive Sunset, this text, they are just three simple text. Then you need a shape, the size you want, and this is the heading. Okay, the heading is also using some of this shape format, but I'm not into them. Because of that, I'm going to use this, simple and better. Then send this thing to back, set the shape outline to none. Then you maybe want to add effect to it or not, it's up to you. But I'm saying a little glue is not going to be so bad. And then recolor it to the color you want. Then format the background. Then copy this thing. Bring this here. And change the color to the color, new color you want. For example, like this. And to the last. And then to the color you want. For example, let's go with this color. And then just every time you pass here, change the color of the passing to white. This is going to be white. This is going to be white. Set the transition of this to a slide to morph. Now here is the trick happened. We apply all the background to black. Let me change this color. The color is not to my liking. Let's change it, for example, to something more alive like this. And the first thing, the green is good, but the green is so dead. Let's make it to living. Then let's take a look. Your slide is ready. You see, it's pretty beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.